Momandkidzstyle, and today's video I decided to do a short video on how I do ship my orders on Poshmark. So I did receive a lot of questions regarding about how I do take care of my customers online, how I do ship all my orders on Poshmark. So today that's gonna be our topic. So as you all know that I am a full-time Poshmark seller and I'm also doing a product review test. So if you are interested with those topics, I would love to invite you all to please subscribe in my channel by clicking the red subscribe button down below. And of course, if you're already in here, welcome back. And to those of you that new in here, welcome. And I would love you to be part of this channel. So if you have any question, you could comment down below, and also you could reach me onto my Instagram account, and also I will going to link my Poshmark account down there if you have any question about reselling and all that stuff. Before we go proceed to the topic, I just wanted to give you all some quick information about Poshmark. Poshmark is a buy and sell platform that you could use. So if you're looking to buy and sell stuff for women, men and kids, and for home essential, you could use Poshmark. And if you're already in there and you are a seller and you have sold an item, so this topic is for you all. So first thing you need to do when you sold an item, of course you're happy, you're excited. So what you will going to do next is to go to your Poshmark account, click the My Sales button there, and once you click the My Sales button, you will see the item that you have sold. Go ahead and click that and you will see the 3 easy step guide how you do ship your orders. So first thing is, of course, you're going to pack your item, but before you do that, you will make sure that the item is correct, and of course, you know, you have the item in your hand, making sure that everything is in good condition. And then after you pack that, you will go in to print the prepaid shipping label that the Poshmark give to you. So by doing that, you will go in to download it and then print it, and then after you're going to drop it in your mailbox. So that's so easy. So that's how simple and easy step how to ship your orders on Poshmark. But of course, people are asking me how I do ship my items. So I take care of my customer online because we all know that we don't have a physical store. So we do sell our items online, which is people only see our items through pictures. So of course, we wanted the customer to be satisfied on the items that they purchase to us. By doing that, you know, we need to make sure that the item itself is in a good condition, so that way they will be happy when they receive it. Of course, you know, even though it's a pre-love item or boutique item, you know, we need to make sure that the item is in a good condition. And so that way, you know, when they're open their packages, you know, they'll see the effort that we have put into that. I will wrap it up with the tissue paper. Of course, if we wanted to have a little extra, we could throw some freebies in there. Like me, I used to do like a monthly different freebies that I'm giving in. Like sometimes, you know, I'll throw like a little gifts to them. Like this month, I'm giving away like a lip gloss. So to some other people that asking me if it's really, you know, necessary to give a freebie, so it's up to us, you know, if we're going to give a freebie. So if you wanted to be a little more extra, you know, put a little love and care onto the item that you're going to ship, you know, of course, you know, you could throw freebies in there. So it's your choice. And like me, I always put my thank you notes in there, so that way they'll really feel special, you know, when they open the package. So that's how I do pack all my items, guys. And right now I'm already ready to go drop it onto our local post office. So to those of you all doesn't know, you could also set an appointment for pickup. You could schedule it, you know, by going into their website, and they will go in to pick it up onto your address. So that's how easy it is. So sometimes if the weather is really bad and I'm having a difficulty, you know, to bring out my toddler outside, you know, I will going to set and schedule ahead before, a night before, so that way they'll come and pick it up in their normal time within the day, you know, here in our area. So that's how I do it. And to those of you all doesn't know, you could also do that. So that's all for today, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this short video on how I do ship my orders. So if you're planning to do this for a long time, you could build your profile now by putting a little effort on to your packaging to make sure that the customer, once we receive that, you know, they'll be satisfied, they'll be happy, they'll give us a very nice review. It could build our closet or brand, you know, on Poshmark. And thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I hope you find this video interesting and help you all on how you do ship your orders on Poshmark. And if you haven't checked out yet my closet, go ahead and check it out. Momandkidzstyle on Poshmark, and also follow us on Instagram. And if you wanted to start on Poshmark, I'm going to put the link on my description box. And yeah, thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I hope you like it, and I'll see you all in our next one. Bye!